Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking metals, let's talk about copper. Let's give gold a rest today. Gold was actually down again with the dollar basically unchanged, but copper has basically been in a sideways market for about the last 2 weeks, although it was up today. Today we're up a little bit over 0.5%. That's now 2 days in a row, but overall, the trend in copper is not really up or down in terms of the daily or the medium term. We're probably in a short-term uptrend. We're definitely in a longer-term downtrend. 307 and 3/4 or so was the price today. We flirted with that $3 level twice in the last 2 weeks, but bounced off of it both times. Today was an update, didn't even come close to that $3 level. Chinese data is part of the reason behind the bid. The data out of China has been decent as of late. They had lower retail sales, but copper isn't really going to be affected by the reaction of the retail consumers. More going to be affected by industry, and Chinese industrial production, both year over year and month over month, has been higher. It came out higher in the last iteration, which was 2 days ago. Prior to that, we had decent Chinese industrial productions, and some of the inventories held in London went down off of surprising Chinese demand. So that tells you that some of the upcoming Chinese data, the CPI, for example, and some of the next week's Caixin indexes that we have may be stronger. That may also be bullish for copper. But again, overall, the medium trend is still sideways, even though we were stronger today. The stronger dollar is part of the reason that copper has been sideways. That all else equal inverse relationship between all commodities and the dollar. But interestingly enough, in this particular case, the stronger dollar has capped prices, but it has lowered inventories as well, because the cost of copper for the foreign purchasers, which are just starting to ramp up, specifically China, has been lower because the stronger dollar has been at play to lower commodity prices across the board. So that's been kind of a good thing to lower inventories, and could sort of frame the bullish conversation for days or even weeks from now if we continue to get a little bit stronger global economic data. Europe has not helped, Japan has not helped, but China is that big consumer of copper. No supply disruptions so far. Copper has been a market that's been used to supply disruptions, and then the seasonality of copper is starting to wind down as well. This is Bob Iaccino talking copper futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.